Hello, my friend. Welcome. Today we talk about something very important. We talk about you. We talk about how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, many beginners feel scared. They think, I don't know what to say about me, or my English is very small. If you feel this way, it is okay. You are not alone.
Yes, this lesson is for you. We will go very slow. We will use very simple English, short sentences, easy words. We will repeat many times.
Our goal is simple. After this lesson, you can talk about yourself. You can say who you are. You can say your name. You can say where you are from. You can say what you do. You can say simple things about your life.
And you can feel good. You can feel calm. You can feel confident. You can do this.
Let's start with a very real problem. Many people meet someone new, maybe at work, maybe at a shop, maybe online. The other person says, "Hello, tell me about yourself."
And your mind becomes empty. No words. You feel shy. You feel nervous. Your heart goes fast.
Yes, you think, what do I say? Where do I start? This lesson helps you with that.
We will give you easy sentences. You can use them again and again, in many places, in many situations.
Okay, let's begin.
First, the most basic thing, your name. In English, we often say, my name is.
Listen, my name is Paul.
My name is Emily.
Very simple. Let's say it slowly.
My name is.
My name is Paul.
My name is Emily.
Now you try. Say your name. Say, my name is.
It's okay if your voice is soft. It's okay if your English is not perfect.
Say it again. My name is.
Good. Very good.
You can also say, I am.
Yes. I am Emily.
I am Paul.
This is also very common, very easy.
Not this. Name is Paul. This is not correct.
But this, my name is Paul, or I am Paul.
Good. Remember this.
Now, after your name, people often ask, where are you from?
This is a very common question. Where are you from?
The easy answer is, I am from.
Listen, I am from India.
I am from the USA.
I am from Canada.
Very simple. Let's break it.
I am from.
I am from.
Now you say your place, city or country. Both are okay.
Say, I am from.
Good. Say it again, slowly.
You can also say, I'm from. This is the short form.
I'm from India. Same meaning.
Not, I from India. This is a mistake.
But this, I am from India, or I'm from India.
Good job.
Now let's put name and place together.
Listen, my name is Emily. I am from the USA.
I am Paul. I'm from Canada.
Two short sentences. Very clear.
Now you try. Say your name, then your place.
Take your time. No hurry.
Good. You are doing great.
Now, the next common question. What do you do?
This question means your work, your job, or what you study.
For beginners, we keep it very simple.
You can say, I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I am a shop worker.
I am a driver.
If you do not work, it is okay. You can say, I am a student, or I am learning.
Yes, I am learning English. This is a very nice sentence.
Let's practice. Listen.
I am a teacher.
I am a student.
I am learning English.
Now you say one sentence about what you do.
Say, I am a, or I am learning.
Good. Very good.
Not I teacher or I student.
But this, I am a teacher. I am a student.
Small word am is very important.
Yes, remember, I am.
Now, let's make a small introduction, all together.
Listen to this small talk.
Hello, my name is Emily. I am from the USA. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher.
Very nice. Very clear. Another example. Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from Canada. I'm learning English.
Now you try. Say 3 or 4 sentences about yourself.
Take a breath. Go slow.
You are doing great.
Now we will practice with a real-life conversation.
Imagine 2 people meet for the first time.
Let's listen.
Hello,
Hi,
my name is Emily. What is your name?
my name is Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am learning English.
That's great.
Thank you.
This is a very simple conversation. You can use it many times.
At work, at school, online.
Now you repeat after us. We go line by line.
Hello,
Hello,
my name is Paul.
my name is Emily.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Good. Very good.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are normal. We learn from them.
Mistake number 1. Saying, I name is.
This is not correct.
Correct is, my name is.
Say it again. My name is.
Good.
Mistake number 2. Saying, I from India.
Missing, am.
Correct is, I am from India.
Or, I'm from India.
Mistake number 3. Saying, I am like music.
Correct is, I like music.
Very good.
Now, let's do more practice. Repeat after me.
My name is.
I am from.
I am a.
I like.
Again.
My name is.
I am from.
I am a.
I like.
You are building strong English now.
Yes, step by step.
Let's slow down and recap.
To talk about yourself, you need a few key sentences.
My name is.
I am from.
I am a. Or I am learning.
I like.
These 4 are very powerful.
You don't need big words.
You don't need fast English.
Slow is good.
Clear is good.
Simple is good.
You can do this.
Now we will continue with more examples and more practice so you feel even more confident.
Stay with us. Breathe. Smile.
We continue now.
Now we continue. We go deeper, but still very easy. We use the same words again and again. This helps your memory.
Yes, repetition is your friend. When you hear the same sentence many times, your mouth learns it. Your brain learns it.
Let's start again with a daily life picture. You meet someone new, maybe in an office, maybe in a class, maybe on a bus.
The other person smiles and says hello.
You smile back. You feel a little shy, but you speak.
You say, hello, my name is.
This is the first step. Always the first step.
Then the other person says, nice to meet you.
You can answer, nice to meet you too.
Let's repeat that.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very polite, very common.
Now the talk continues.
The person asks, where are you from?
You already know this.
You say, I am from.
You say, I am from.
Simple.
Now we add one more small thing. You can say your city.
For example, I am from India. I live in Delhi.
Or, I am from Brazil. I live in Sao Paulo.
Listen to the pattern. I am from, I live in.
Very easy.
Not this, I living in.
But this, I live in.
Let's practice.
I live in.
You say your city.
Good.
Now, people often ask, do you like it?
They mean your city or your place.
You can answer, yes, I like it.
Or, yes, I like my city.
Or, yes, I like living here.
Keep it short.
Let's repeat.
Yes, I like it.
Yes, I like my city.
Good.
Now we move to work again, but we add one more line.
After, what do you do, you answer.
I am a student.
Then you can add, I study English.
Or, I study computer skills.
Example.
I am a student. I study English.
Very clear.
Or, I am a shop worker. I work in a store.
Easy words.
Repeat after me.
I am a student.
I study English.
Again.
I am a student.
I study English.
Good.
Now let's talk about hobbies, things you do in free time.
Very simple.
You can say, in my free time, I like,
Example. In my free time, I like music.
or in my free time, I like walking.
Or, I like watching TV.
You don't need in my free time every time.
You can just say, I like walking.
Yes, short is good.
Now a small conversation again. Hi, my name is Emily.
Hi, Emily, I am Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I live in Toronto.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
That's great.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I am good. How are you?
I am fine.
Very natural.
You can use this talk again and again.
Now, let's slow down again and repeat key lines.
Repeat after me.
My name is,
I am from,
I live in,
I am a,
I study,
I like,
how are you?
I am fine.
Again,
My name is,
I am from,
good.
now confidence talk.
You may think, my English is not good.
But look, you can say many things now.
You can talk about you.
That is a big step.
English is not about big words.
English is about connection.
Small sentences connect people.
You are learning real English.
Now, let's help your memory.
Think of 4 blocks.
Name,
Place,
work or study.
likes.
If you remember these 4, you are ready.
Name, my name is.
Place, I am from, I live in.
Work or study, I am a, I study.
Likes, I like.
Very easy.
Now say them in your head or say them loud.
Practice every day.
Practice in the mirror.
Practice with a friend.
Practice with us.
You are not slow.
You are learning.
Everyone learns step by step.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep going.
You can do this.
See you again.
Bye-bye.